Good evening, D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, overnight edition. We're going to go into Davison Risk Factor. We're going to go into tropics tonight in a little bit, because we do have tropical depression number 6. And we'll get into the forecast, which seems to be cooler over the next couple of days in the Roanoke Valley. First, taking a look at the radar, courtesy of WSI. What you can see is you have a lot of heavier rainfall up here near Philadelphia, northeast Philly, Fort Dix. Here in Wilmington, this whole line is moving to the east. This will be one area that you're going to get more precipitation, and then probably a break tomorrow, and a possibility, if any thunderstorms occur, to be most likely in this area, Baltimore, Washington, up through the Delaware Valley. And then we have some scattered thunderstorms just to the west of the Roanoke Valley. Will they make it in? It depends on how well they hold together when they get over the mountains. And we get some down here, some showers and thunderstorms in the state of Georgia. Severe weather outlook. You see today all of the storm reports have been in Oklahoma, Arkansas, Tennessee, with some MCSs, and also here in Montana, 35 total reports. Looking in later today, we see one area in Montana, like I said, one area in New York City, Philadelphia, Wilmington, up through Providence, Rhode Island, and then another area here along the Gulf Coast, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. When we go beyond that into Monday, we don't see any organized severe weather. One or two little spots may occur. Tomorrow's going to be, today's going to be mainly isolated, which is why we go into Davison Risk Factor. We hit 45% on winds, 25 on hail, and 5 on tornadoes. Tornadoes are going to be very unlikely. Wind, if we do get it, is going to be the highest threat for any of the thunderstorms that we see today. And looking at Monday, right now, I'm not putting out a risk for Monday because there's really no legitimate risk at this point. Tropical update time. We're going to go into storm potential. You got one tropical depression, number 6. This is expected to become a tropical storm. This will become a tropical storm, Danielle. There's nothing out there that right now, and I'll show you on satellite, that is going to inhibit this from becoming Danielle. The projected path shows it becoming a storm early tomorrow, projecting west-northwest, and then turning away from the islands as of right now towards Bermuda. Probably going to stay to the east of Bermuda as it looks right now with the latest forecast models, and we're going to go into that also. Taking a look at the satellite picture, you can see this is pretty defined. The low is located right in the center here, so this is a decent breathing system right now, and it's expected to become a hurricane based on the National Hurricane Center's latest advisory. You see here it is, a lot of moisture up ahead of it, not really a lot of dry air to the north of it. You're going to have that trough that just going to cut out without a cold front that's going to help this steer this towards the north, and you'll see that here in the models. You see how it's projecting it to turn away and out to the shoreline. And like I said, it'll be mainly because of the cold front that's moving through. Intensity forecasts, a lot of these models, Ship's model brings it up to 100. I don't know about all that, but a lot of these bring it into hurricane strength. A lot of these good models, GFTL, Icon, ICVN, the only one that keeps it lower is it, but it's just underneath hurricane strength is the HWRF model. But this is the run intensity wise, so it looks like it's going to be approaching out to 120 hours a hurricane, and possibly up to a category 2 hurricane. You can see it shows up in the 7-day on the GFX MRF model. Here's what's going to keep it from moving to the east coast. This high, after that front kicks out, the trough kicks out, kicks us out to sea. So this high is going to protect us here on the east coast. And you can see this is early, coming at about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. At that cold front coming in, trough kicking into the Roanoke Valley, and it's low sitting near the ocean. We're not talking about this low like we were last night. It's looking a lot less likely that it's going to occur to become tropical of any sort. And then we see in tomorrow afternoon, we can see it lines up near Philadelphia. That'll enhance the opportunity for shower and thunderstorms, and also enhance the lift for possible thunderstorm development. So if we're going to get any good and isolated severe weather, it's going to be New Jersey, Philadelphia, New York City area. That's going to be Wilmington, Delaware. That's going to be your best shot at severe weather tomorrow. And then Monday, you see pushes out here, pushes out to sea. This is what's going to keep us safe from what will be Danielle. And then the Tuesday, you can see it kicks all the way out to shore. There's nothing along the shoreline like was projected prior for a tropical system. Taking a look at the forecast, showers, isolated showers, I should say, 84 degrees. Monday, mostly sunny, 87. Partly sunny, chance of showers on Tuesday, 86. Wednesday, partly sunny, 83. And Thursday, mostly sunny, 84 degrees. Temperature going to be dipping into the 60s, possibly upper 50s here in the Roanoke Valley. So get ready for a cool down here in the Roanoke Valley. Danielle looks to form, and severe weather is going to take a little bit of a break. D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great